BMW premium cars set up in Nepal. The luxury car manufacturer, Bajarish Motoren Work AG, or simply BMW, will be launching soon in Nepal. BMW, with more than 100 years of heritage in the worldwide automotive market. Together with BMW Asia and BMW Bangladesh, the new company is expected to open the doors of the next step for the premium vehicle segments in Nepal. Laxmi Premium Motors, a new subsidiary of Laxmi Intercontinental, the people behind Hyundai, will launch BMW cars in Nepal. The Laxmi Group, which had signed a concession agreement with a German company BMW at the end of 2014, had set itself the objective of transporting vehicles in Nepal and selling them by 2015. However, the BMW import plan, which was delayed for various reasons, including the earthquake, has finally come to an end. Laxmi Premium Motors, BMW's authorized dealer in Nepal, has launched a brand new BMW dealer in Kathmandu. It was officially unveiled through a virtual launch on its official Facebook page. Although the formal launch date in Nepal has not been made public, official launch is expected to take place in a month. Laxmi Premium Motors has set up a world-class 10.165 square foot state-of-the-art BMW dealership in Tinkune, Kathmandu to supply the best BMW vehicles to its valued customers. The quality, comfort, dependability and safety of BMW are mainly recognized. In fact, BMW is one of the most popular luxury car brands worldwide. The car brand ranks as the top brand choice for most politicians, businessmen and celebrities around the world. BMW Nepal will present 3 different models of BMW in Nepal: BMW 5 Series, BMW 7 Series and BMW X Series, where every series will be available in different models. In addition, the company offers a guarantee of 2 years or 60,000 kilometers according to what comes first.